All right, in this video, I'm going to be solving this algebraic equation. And it's similar to one of the other problem I solved in the previous video. If you have watched it well, you should be able to solve this with ease. So you can pause this video and see if you get it correctly. But before you do that, kindly subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and share with your friend. And you're also permitted to comment. Thank you. So this question, if 6x plus 7 is equal to 4x minus 3, what's the value of 8x minus 4? So our focus is we want to get the value of x, because we can't get the value of 8x minus 4 without knowing the value of x. So the first thing is we have to collect like terms. Now collecting like terms means we bring 4x to this side, right, and don't forget anything that crosses this equality sign. If it's positive, it change to negative, and if it's negative, to change to positive. That is one basic rule that we need to know. So I'm moving 4 to this side, so it is plus 4 here, it will become minus 4. So we have 6x minus 4x will now be equal to what? Minus 3. Then plus 7 is coming here, it will now become what? Minus what? 7, because it's plus here. So 6x minus 4x will give us what? 2x. Now be equal to minus 3 minus 7 will give us minus 10. So since this has given us minus 10, what do we need to do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. So x basically is what? Minus 10 divided by 2. That will give us what? Minus 5. So that's the value of x that will make the left-hand side of the equation to be equal to the right-hand side. But we are required to find the value of 8x minus 4. So in that case, 8x minus 4 will now be equal to what? 8 into bracket x, that is minus 5, then minus what? 4. So what is 8 into bracket minus 5? Is the same thing as saying 8 times minus 5, then minus 4. So 8 times minus 5, that is what? Minus 40 minus 4. So minus 40 minus 4 will give us what? Minus what? 44. So that is the solution, to that particular problem. I believe that this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, share, comment, and give us a thumb up. And if you want to sponsor or you want to, appreciate what we are doing, please, you can send us a mail and also follow the prompt in our description, plain. So see you in the next video. Thank you.